A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine.
It goes a little something like
Hello guys, how's it going? My name is Shelby and welcome to my channel. Today, if you've read the title, we're doing a little Shein unboxing, my guys. Like, nah. Just a little bit of Shein. A lot of it of Shein. Most of it, as you can tell, is in these little bags. So I'm going to take them out and get started with trying them on. So give me a minute and I'll be right back. We have a lot of pieces. It ranges from swimsuits, cover-ups, t-shirts, bodysuits, dresses, you name it, we've got it. There are a couple items in here, specifically the bodysuits, that I ordered bigger. So like some of them are 3XL, 4XL. Just because I like things to fit a little bit looser, just for my comfort, and I'm very self-conscious as it is. So I'm going to go ahead and put on the first item. I think I will start with the bodysuits and then just kind of go on from there. I'll start with bodysuits T-shirts and then we'll go to swimsuits and cover-ups. So here is the first outfit. So this is a mock neck bodysuit in like a sage green color. It is ribbed and I am obsessed. I love Shein's mock neck everything. So of course I had to get it. I got this piece in a size 2XL. On to the next. So we have ourselves another bodysuit. This one is a V-neck. It's wider ribbed. This is like a ivory color. I got this in a 3X. I also got this in like a dusty rose color, which you can see. So this is that dusty rose color. It's very pretty. Like I said before, it does have a bit of a wider ribbing on it, which I really like. The material is super soft and comfy, very breathable. So let's go to the next one. So here is the next bodysuit. It is the same as the first one. This one is mock neck and it's like a camel-y color. It's really cute. I do really like this. I like the fit, but we'll go ahead and show the next one. So here is the next bodysuit. This one is a quarter zip. Actually, I think it's a little more than a quarter zip. I got this one because I like the style of it. This one is a 3X and I don't know if I mentioned it before, but I'll put my measurements in the description box below so you can kind of, if you have a similar body type as me, that way you're able to determine, you know, will this fit you? It's kind of fitted a little strange in like this area. The armholes feel a bit strange, a little constricted, but too much fabric right here. I like that. I can zip it up, zip it down, and maybe do something like that, and I think it'd be really cute for a night out. That's this top. On to the next. So this is the next one. This one is a bit more scandy. You can rearrange the straps. You can sit like this. I would probably use boob tape for it because there's literally no structure right here, so you just kind of fly around, but it's very comfy. The material's nice, kind of swimsuit material. You could also wear it if you were wearing booby tape. It would look great. I am not wearing booby tape right now, so that way you would cross in the back instead of the front, leaving the front open like this. However, when I do it that way, it kind of provides this weird little gapping, so I would definitely wear it crisscrossed on the front for my personal preference. On to the next one. So here is another bodysuit, of course. If you were to get this one, recommend sizing down. The way that these are constructed, this is just almost too big for me. I don't like the way this one fits. It's super baggy in the crotch, super baggy right here, but like kind of a weird fit right here, so I don't recommend this one, but I will link it down below. On to the next. So this is the next one. This is actually probably one of my favorite bodysuits so far. This one is ribbed, but it's like a spandex material, and it's got this really cute crocheting. I really like this. I like the length, the fit of it. It kind of sucks you in. I don't even know if I would have to wear booby tape for this. Definitely nipple tape, but booby tape probably not. The straps are a little worrisome. Really like how this fits though. Very cute, not too revealing, feels secure, and I think this is the second to last bodysuit. Okay, and this is the last bodysuit I got. The material is so buttery soft. I love the material, but the way the arms fit just kind of looks a little wonky. I'm going to wash it and see if that helps the fit of it. This one just doesn't look very good, very flattering. It doesn't help that I'm also very bloated today, so great day to try on bodysuits for my self-esteem. Yes! That's all the bodysuits. We'll try on a dress, 2 shirts, and then the rest will be bathing suits. And this is just a t-shirt, a mock neck in the cheetah print. This is in a 2XL. The fabric is kind of the same as that tan one that I just had on. Super buttery soft. This is very cute. I like this. 10 out of 10. On to the next. Here is the next one. So this is kind of like a very oversized t-shirt. On the back it says in hot pink, everything will be okay, and it's got like the little melting smiley face. I thought this was really cute. I would probably wear it with some denim shorts tucked in like this, but that's just how I would personally wear it. If you just want it as a really nice oversized t-shirt, stick to like your normal size. But if you want it as like a t-shirt dress, I would say size up 1. Just to give it that little extra booty coverage. But the fit's really nice. It is very cute. Super soft. Kind of similar to those last 2 things that I tried on. Definitely like this. So the next item will be the one and only dress. Let me go ahead and put that on. Here is the dress. I did get this in a 2XL. It's got this like nice little wrap. I didn't do the tie too nicely. This is what it looks like when you put it on, and then you just wrap it to give this fun little look. It's very flattering on the waist. I would probably still wear Spanx with it because it's not so forgiving in the back area. Very cute, nice fabric, very soft, but not buttery soft like the other ones. I like it. I really like the length of it too. I like that it's just above my knees. It highlights my boobies but conceals my waist where I'm uncomfortable. So now we are going to get into my worst nightmare. Swimsuits. So here is the first swimsuit. It's this nice little red number. It is kind of ribbed. The top fits a little wonky, but I do like the style and shaping of the shorts. If you're a little bit well endowed for your breasts, definitely would recommend sizing up. I'm not sure what size I got this in. I will put it right here. But I'm usually, when I go to Target and buy a swimsuit, okay? My tried and true, when I go to Target and buy a swimsuit, I'm an XL. So, if that helps you at all. The back is a tie. I did not tie it very nicely. That's fine. The straps are really odd. They keep rolling. It's a bit uncomfortable. On to the next one. So here is the next one. This one, I don't know that I would ever wear out. The way this fits, like I read 1,000 reviews on this. I did my measurements. This should have fit me a lot baggier unless they sent me the wrong size. The cooter area, like as you can see my underwear poking through, and I have high cut briefs. So I'm oozing a little. So, just a little uncomfortable in this one. It is really cute though. I like how it looks. I like the concept of it. It does have one of those like wire doodads right here to keep that V staying there, which I really like that. I like that Shein does that. I find that it keeps the strapless, especially I have strapless shirts like this, and it keeps it from falling down and my boobs hanging out. So, I do like that. I really like the like gold detailing. Sorry, my camera stopped recording. I figured while I have this suit on, I will go ahead and put on the 2 cover-ups that I have, and then we'll try on the last remaining suits. So the first cover-up I got was this long, cute dress. I would feel confident and comfortable in wearing out to go cover up. It's got this nice slit in it, which I like. Very fun, kind of flirty. I feel like it covers enough. It's not super see-through, but it's actually very cute. Let me go ahead and put the next cover up on. And this is the last set. This set's really cute. It has a super high slit, but it's like braided right here. The shirt kind of does a V and it's distressed. I think this is really cute and low-key. You could probably put like a highlighter bikini under here. And honestly, this is kind of like Coachella vibes to me. Am I wrong? Is this giving you kind of Coachella vibes? Let me go ahead and get on to the next swimsuit. And this was the next swimsuit. This was the one I was most excited about. It does fit a little funky here in the boob area. Like, I don't know, I'm worried a titty might fall out, but the suit is absolutely adorable. Good coverage. I would feel confident and comfortable in this suit. I really like it. I like the coloring. It did come in like some more solid colors, and then it also had some really cute cheetah print ones, a couple different ones. The snake skin was calling me. I definitely recommend this swimsuit. Maybe if you have bigger girls, I recommend sizing up. I'm spilling out a little and I have to finagle this. This string is not very sturdy. I'm a little worried about that, but honestly, this suit is adorable. More for pool days than beach days, just saying. On to the next one. And here is the next suit. This one is kind of a play it safe one. I knew when I was looking at it that there is no way that you could possibly make me uncomfortable in this suit. Good coverage, kind of slightly scandy because your boobs kind of pop out right here, but like not in like an uncomfortable way. The pattern on it's really cute. The ruching is nice. Very flattering on the body. Definitely love this swimsuit. Here's the back. This one gets a 10 out of 10 for me. I definitely like this one. And now we're on to our last swimsuit. Okay, this is the last one. I don't know what happened here because I have ordered Shein swimsuits before and I've never had such an issue with how they fit. This one is cute. I would never wear this out anywhere. I am not confident enough for this. This just isn't it. This suit is really cute though. Size up, I guess. This one was a bit discouraging. Don't recommend. Okay guys, I kind of ended a little abruptly on that last swimsuit because I was very uncomfortable in it. I'm just a little discouraged that I followed all of my measurements to a T. I just remeasured myself off camera. I was like, did something change? And checked the website. No, it didn't change. So if you're gonna order that last swimsuit, which will be the last linked below, I definitely recommend sizing up on it. That was just very uncomfortable. My boobs were falling out. The ties on the neck were short. That was just not it for me. I just wanted to hop on and end this video. My favorite pieces were definitely all of the bodysuits, but I think the stars of the show, correct me if I'm wrong, were those swimsuit cover-ups. I mean, come on, look at those. Look at those swimsuit cover-ups. Come on. Those are both so cute. I definitely recommend picking up a swimsuit cover-up, picking up some swimsuits but sizing up, especially if you got big girls, and maybe staying true to your size on the bodysuits. That was my own error. I just like to be a little more comfy, easy breezy, beautiful. Cover squirrel. Well, that's all for this vlog. I hope, well, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, please take a minute to smash that subscribe button and become a member of the Toasty family. We would love to have you. Anyway, good day and bye, guys. Hugs! Okay, bye. You're a little too tall for me.